What's up guys, this is Kevin Pilar and today I will show you that this deck is pretty awesome. I just won a 100-man tourney and got top 1 with the deck that I recommended: Balloon, Skeleton Army, Archer's Zap, Fireball, Pumpstone, Mega Minion, and Ice Golem. See my battle replay. It counters a lot of decks, so that's good. I haven't tried any 400 cards turn yet, but I think it will come in handy, so try this deck, and I hope you like this video. Thank you. Look how that balloons really gives a lot of damage. So reminders, Ice Golem's Blow and a Fireball doesn't really kill a level 7 Mega Minion in tourney perhaps. So the trick here is that you must really have a fast hand. Look how the balloon spread the damage. I got a graveyard, so that's how to beat Lava Hound and a graveyard deck. Let me show you more of my replay at the tourney. They have quite the same deck in here. Someone even copied it, but still I defeat it. Here's the replay. I was shocked here first because I did not know that someone would copy my So you notice the trick here. You must never drop your balloon when the ice golem hasn't been deployed yet. So, if you cannot deploy any card, just deploy the skeletons back in the middle so they will be separated and do a lot of distractions. So, this is one of the mistakes that he did because he did not counter my archers and my mega minion force. He just let them live, so probably killed. Why his balloon was killed. So it's now my turn. Ngayon, both the fireball, so the mega minion and the archers and other deck that is airtight to kill an airtight hit deck. See that mistake again? The fireball my tower just to get damage. So winner is gonna drop archers and mega minion to defend. So I just use fireball. That's another mistake that you got again. So don't do that. So just remember to not get rushed with the deck that you deploy. You must always deploy the balloon and the ice golem to counter any attack, defense, from your opponent. So that's all for today. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you subscribe for me to create more videos about this.